Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can easily change sensitivity on your SteelSeries Rival 650. So first, make sure to download and open the SteelSeries GG app on your PC. And now, here go to Engine, select your Rival 650, now click it, and wait for it to load. As you guys can see, here we have two sensitivities, sensitivity 1 and sensitivity 2, and here you can change it up to your preference. And now click save at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.